Want to fix Threads notification not appearing? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. First of all, you want to check if notification is allowed in the settings. For that, open up your settings. Now tap on the notifications option. Here select app notifications. Now you will find a list of all the applications. Go ahead and find Threads over here. Threads is toggled off. Make sure to toggle it on. Next, you want to head back. Now tap on apps. Scroll down and find Threads, tap on that. Now select notifications from here as well. Make sure it is toggled on. Now you can scroll down and here you have a couple of options of notifications type. You can select your preferred one. Next, you want to open the Threads app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the two lines at the top right corner. From here, select notifications. Now you want to make sure that push notifications is toggled on. Now you can also select notifications manually. For example, for threads and replies, select that. Now, if any of this is in off, you want to make sure you have selected either from everyone or from people you follow. If you select off, you're not going to receive any notification. You want to do that for the rest of categories such as custom feed, messages, following and followers as well. Now, if you're still not getting notifications, you want to check if do not disturb or focus mode is on your device. If do not disturb is on, you simply want to toggle it off. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.